How to hide your profile on Bumble app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can hide your profile on Bumble app. For that, go ahead and launch the Bumble app. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install the app. Once you have downloaded it, go ahead and open the application. Now, in order to hide your profile, tap on the profile icon and from here tap on the gear icon. Once you land on your settings, here you have an option called snooze. With this, you can temporarily hide your profile from all modes. If you do this, you won't lose any connections or chat. Go ahead and tap on the snooze option. Now, it's going to ask you how long do you want to be invisible for. You have the option of 24 hours, 72 hours, a week, or indefinitely. Now, you can select whichever option you prefer. Let's say a week. Tap on this option. Now the next thing it asks is, do you want to set a status for your existing matches while you're away? So you have some options like I'm traveling, I'm focused on work, I'm on a digital detox, and I'm prioritizing myself. You can select whichever reason, or you can also skip that by tapping on no thanks. As you can see, the snooze mode has been activated, which means your profile is currently hidden. If you ever want to unhide your profile, simply tap on deactivate snooze option and your profile will be unhidden. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.